I don't know the sweetest jelly them come from St. Thomas and Portland, you know, people. And sometimes Linstead, yeah. It's like the man them plant them in a key and peace, man. Sweat! You get what me I say? Watch a idiot here. Watch here. It's a cluffy that in here, man. Watch him. Road swine. People when they drive, you have to look out for them blasted fool, you know.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another driving through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as I just heard in the intro. And right about now, people, we're up our way. I go Port Morant. Yeah, right out there we are driving. So you know we're gonna pass license and them place there. You see me? Yeah, Prospect and them place there. You see what I say? Yeah, man, East Prospect. Yeah, yes, I. Them places we go pass, you don't know the thing go. Yeah, man, we just have to make a quick check go to Port Morant. One time I buy some jelly. One time I come from out there. I don't know if the jelly man I go out there, but if anything I buy 2 jelly again, you know. Because I don't know the sweetest jelly them come from St. Thomas and Portland, you know, people. And sometimes Linstead, yeah. Yeah, man, no apologies when I say that, man. I'm not play thing, man. It's like the man them plant them in a key and peace, man. Sweat! You get what I say? So yeah, man, right about now it's an evening drive. You see what I say? Yeah, man, I make a way go out to Port Morant, is it? Yeah. Yeah, my people. So we book up a little traffic and something still, but you know, say I through the road bad. Yeah, that's why we kind of book up in a little delay. You know what thing go already, man. You see me? Yeah. And them throw some gravel on the road and thing. Yeah, man, my people. So, man, I just want to shout out all of my subscribers, them, all of my viewers, them, especially the new one, them. Yo, new people, big up on yourself, man. Oh, them have some pavement blocks. Yeah, work I go on out here, man. Yeah. So, yeah, man, I just a shout out to my new subscriber, them, man. You don't know a thing, man. Big up on yourself, man. You see me? It's a joy for having you over here. You get me? Yeah. Me appreciate you know. You see me? Because from what my subscriber count I move, you know, it a increase steadily and me appreciate it. New people, big up on yourself. 876 by birth, that's my name. Once you see my video them, me just a drive around Jamaica and me just a chat. You get what me I say? I'm going to chat and tell you something. This is a Princess Margaret Hospital. Yeah. Big hospital out of St. Thomas. You see me? Yeah, man, on the left side there, so, man. Yeah. So, yeah, man. As I say, I just appreciate you know, I'm glad so there a journey with me and thing. You see me? Yeah, my people, you don't know the thing, man. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing. So big up on yourself, no matter which part you want to watch from, you see me? Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Yeah, big up on yourself. Hey, we have some people in Miami, Florida, you know, right there, so yeah. Yeah, man, some people where they are not beach, Miami. Yeah, man, we have some people at that beach, Miami. We have to tell us, yo, them not miss a video. So right now, when them even big them up, them do what them be attacking, you know. Them do what them they attack and them always in the comment section. So me know say them gonna drop in the comment section and say, yo, big up back yourself, man. You see me? Yeah, so people must who know where they right there, man. Yeah, man. Who know right there, man, where they are North Beach, Miami, man. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know the thing, man. Yeah, man. Located on 2nd Avenue there, so. Yes, big up on yourself. We not to give you a precise location, you know. You see me? But you know on yourself. Yeah, man. Big up, big up, big up, big up to the two of you. You don't know a thing, go. Yeah, man. We there upon it, you know? Yeah. St. Thomas with there. Good old St. Thomas. And we have to take our time and make a way go out. So the people them from Canada now and the people them from UK. Here, man, like all Colin. Big up yourself. Tristan! Big up yourself too, you know, my boss. You don't know the thing, go. Yo, people, Tristan asked me for make one drive from 19 how long, you know, man. Tristan, me so sort it out, man. Just big up yourself, man. Me so sort it out. Go and watch them video till me sort it out, alright? Yeah, man. I'm gonna make the drive this soon, man. Don't worry yourself, you see me? Yes, I. Canadian people, them to big up on yourself. My Caribbean peeps, big up on yourself. You see me? The people, them there up on the rock with me. Big up on yourself, yeah, man. Jamaican people, them, man, bless up on yourself, man, and you know the thing, man. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself, man. We're there, man. We're there, man. 876 by Bergs, man. We just there taking one go on out of St. Thomas here, so. Want to get a jelly down the road and me reach, you know? Yeah, man. As I said, the sweetest coconut, them, sweetest jelly water. St. Thomas and Portland and sometimes Linstead. No doubt upon that. We can bet any money. You see me? We not talk about no insipid coconut. I talk about sweet coconut with natural sweetener, the natural sugar where they in it. You see me? And with the good old electrolytes them to rehydrate your body. Yeah. You know what thing go? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. People, if you think I joke, anytime I come to St. Thomas, just grab a jelly. I tell you, no, sweet. Yeah, man. Some little boat up on the side. Alright, so the road here again have liquor. Night fireman now cross. Yeah, man, we just have to take a look at time, people. As you know, the road them St. Thomas road them stay, see me, yeah. Just have to take a little time as we go through the little license community, yeah? Yeah. No thing go. Yeah, man, when we get near to Prospect them side there, East Prospect, you know the road's supposed to look a bit better out there, so? Yeah, supposed to be better than this. Now you hear the graphic on the road, people. That a go on, what a go on. Yeah, my people, so that piece of road is not too bad you know. Yeah. I think some more paving did go on out there, you know, some more asphalting did go on out there, you know. So it's supposed to, you know, Yeah, we're supposed to smooth that out. Well, let's hope so. You have a little truck there either way. So it kind of give a little delay to you know? Yeah. So we just go and take our time still, you know, my people. I take a little time, you see me? Yeah, man. Boy, people, if me never see my jelly youth there, I'm see another jelly man, me I gotta just buy the jelly them cause me say feel for your jelly right now and you know? Yeah. Can't they St. Thomas and you know beat the jelly. Watch how eat that here. Watch ya. It's a claffy that in here, man. Watch him. Road swine. People when they drive, you have to look out for them blasted fool, you know. Watch him, man, them a drive down there, so. Why, man, I tell you, I'm be a young youth in there, you know. Be a young youth in there. East Prospect, the people from my left side. Yeah, man. Nice community over there, people. If you need to check out the video I have on my channel with over there, you need to go check it out. You get what I say? Yeah. You must name mansions in St. Thomas. Want to check it out, people. Some big house over there. So as me I said, the road out that's not too bad still, you know. Yeah, man, it's not too bad, you know. Can go on. Yeah, man, people, who does that take time and make a way, you see me? Yeah. One big unit there in front of us, so kind of slow we down, but we don't have a rush, though. I take our time, man. I catch out of one part with them call LiQWYD. Yeah. Yeah, man, LiQWYD, you know? Yeah. One body over there up on the right side, you know? Yeah, man. And as we catch out there, so now, you know, it's a little fishing village. Yeah. Port Morant. Like, it's a little fishing community, you know? That's them livelihood, you know? Yeah. You see the coastline, the right up on the right hand side, people. The water, the right, so. You see me? Yeah. Somebody did give me a little spot out there, so I say say the food eat good. One day for you, so Fish Cove. Yeah man, he give me a little spot, you know. I tell me say yo, the food eat good out here. Yeah. I need to check it out one of them days there, you know. I'm not telling a lie, you know. Watch jackfruit, man. Yo. Why the jelly man lock up. Him not out there at all. I forgot get jelly from somebody else in the people, cause you know it go. Yeah. Get jelly from somebody else. People see the water here. Right there so. Yeah. Right, that's it, the people. Man, this up. Big unit a come, people. I call fish out here, sell and bait it. So we are gonna just go out of the Rubis gas station, my people, and yeah, call it a day out there. So you get me? Yeah. Alright, as we go over the bridge. And it's basically a couple minutes away, you know, so you know the thing go. Video gonna end shortly, my people. So I just wanna say yo, give thanks for drive with me, you see me? Yeah man, for journey with me. You don't know the thing go, man. I always appreciate the support, you know, my people, you see me? Yeah man. 876 by Bergs, you know, people. And I'm out.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.